Honey, I'm pregnant.
You are pregnant?
Yes.
Okay, no problem. Pregnancy is good now. So who is responsible?
Maybe see now. It's you that is pregnant.
It's not me. I'm not the one responsible.
Me.
If you know the owner of that thing inside your stomach, you can get me the person.
I'm here to tell you.
You are here, you can still leave. So start going. I'm not responsible. Please.
I don't know what he's talking about. Babe, I'm pregnant for you.
You are not pregnant for me. When was the last time we did anything?
Philip, see, I know that sometimes this kind of news can be overwhelming, but even at that, you are not a father.
Who is
Congrats.
the father? Congrats in what? See, if you put your mouth in this now, I'll slap. Are you mad? It's like you're mad.
Please now, calm down.
Get out from here. Who is your babe? I'm not your babe. You're telling me you're pregnant. I'm not your babe.
I was warning you about this boy. You see or not?
You are warning her about this boy.
Baby, wait.
Are you mad?
Baby, calm down and talk to me now. I don't like this thing you are doing like this.
What are you saying?
I'm pregnant
for
for
who?
you.
Who is responsible?
I went to the hospital and it was confirmed that I'm pregnant, and it's for you. You're the only boy in my. You're the only man in my life. You're the only one I have.
I mean the doctor, the whoever. God, you know, see, I've been observing some movements lately, but I've not said anything. The other day I went through your phone, I saw the guy you are texting, I saw the pin chat there, I saw the love emoji you are sending to people. You think I don't know? I know something like this is going to come up very soon. I just kept quiet since. It's just like
Philip, when my friend told me that it was you that she was dating, I told her that it went itself. Because I've always known you as a playboy in this community.
Who is a playboy?
Take responsibility for this pregnancy.
Take responsibility of what?
Baby, please.
I know it's this girl that's deceiving you all these things. I know she's the one that found the person that put this thing inside her stomach. I'm not the person. Don't disturb me.
Babe, calm down. Babe, wait. Babe, what are you talking about seeing something in my phone? You know you are the only boy. You are the only person I'm dating.
I'm not the only person you are dating.
I don't go about following other men. You are the only one I'm dating.
I'm not the only person you are dating.
Please don't allow this shame to cover my face, please. Don't allow my friends to know about
is okay. Philip, since you say you are not responsible for the pregnancy, what do you want her to do with the baby?
She should get me the father now. The person that's responsible for the baby.
I'm here to meet.
Please get me the father.
Wait first. She should go and meet the person that is responsible for this.
Yes, now.
She should.
We even made a judge over this.
I've always heard about how you maltreat my friend, but in my mind I was like, maybe it's a joke, maybe it's a prank. But what I'm seeing is, it's obvious that she didn't explain. She didn't tell you why it was.
Who is pranking you? I'm not responsible now. The owner of the baby should come.
So indirectly, you're not taking responsibility for this pregnancy.
I'm not responsible for your pregnancy.
You're
not taking responsibility.
You are responsible.
After that, her face now. Am I fairing out?
See, Philip,
if I kick you,
you will kick what? A pregnant woman.
I'll just kick that nonsense out of you.
It's like you didn't tell him my profile.
What's your profile?
You've not heard about me, Adaku, the village fighter.
So hell to your profile, you and your stupid profile.
See, Philip, I'm not Monica. I will deal with you.
You will deal with
You
me.
must take responsibility for my first pregnancy.
I don't understand.
I say you will take responsibility.
Please,
what do you mean?
I say you will take responsibility for pregnancy.
Listen, before you dive into what you don't know, this guy has been cheating up and down.
No, I'm not cheating.
Listen to me. This guy has been cheating,
Oh, God.
If you go to her phone, men lined up.
She'll
go here. Every day she keep coming back at night, doing all sort of things.
Philip, when you were promising her the whole world, you didn't know she was cheating. She told me when she used her money to support your small business, you didn't know she was cheating. When she's always posting about your business on her status, you didn't know she was cheating.
So you're going around telling people that you give me something back?
No, baby.
You're going around telling people you give me something?
You want to beat her up.
I don't want to beat her up.
You will take responsibility for this.
What do you mean now?
I said you will take responsibility for this
one.
You're asking who I am. You're asking who I am. You will take responsibility for this. You will not do it. I'm not Monica. I know you will do it.
You promised to marry me, babe. You promised to marry me.
Monica is not
leave me. I'm going to leave me. What do you mean now?
Monica, don't beg him.
What's going on here? I don't know these people. Daniel, how far now?
I'm okay. What's going on? Why are you holding?
You know this stupid girl saying that I don't know. This one came around
This is your babe.
My ex now, which is my babe.
She's not your babe.
She's not my babe.
You guys broke up. Why?
She has been cheating on me.
We did not break up.
So what's the problem, bro?
She has been cheating. Will you shut up? Let me talk. Are you mad? She has been cheating on me, so I knew everything. Every day I go to her phone, I see chats of different guys.
Bro, how come now? When me and you knows that this guy have not been cheating on you, how come?
I've not been cheating. I've not been cheating.
I'm sure that the baby itself even belongs to you. Yeah? Because the way I even vouch for
me.
It is disgrace.
What do you mean, me?
See, my brother, I can remember when the relationship was still sweeting you now. You once told me that even if the girl gets pregnant, then you're going to marry her. Then why did everything change?
Me told you.
Yes, you told me.
It's like you're sick, that is like you're mad. see me, I'm living here.
Bro, calm down. You told me that you're
What
going
do
to
you mean?
take full responsibility. Calm down. You see, children, let me tell you something. Children are gifts from God. So I don't see any reason why you have to reject this pregnancy. You don't know, maybe this is a way of God blessing you. Maybe this might be an open door. So I don't see any reason why you should.
You are very sick. Minister of Children Affairs.
You need to take full responsibility for this pregnancy. This is not what we planned now.
What you
Mr.
plan? You are
Daniel,
This was-
you know when I was there.
Yes, now.
You know that I'm not a cheat.
See, in fact,
You know I love him with everything. You know I support him with
I know
everything.
you now.
I have.
Among all the girls that this guy have been dating, you are the only loyal one.
I don't know why he's denying me now.
Every of them have been play girls. You are the only loyal one. I don't see, bro. No, now see you aside. Come first. See, I remember. I know your mom now. You know my mom. We've been brothers from childhood, and your mom have always told us that if you eventually get any girl pregnant, you should bring her home. Let she lay her blessings. See, my brother, children are a gift from God. Do you know that my auntie that have been telling you that have been married for about 20 years now? Brother, till today, she's yet to conceive. She's not yet pregnant. But this one, your babe.
Do you want to take this one?
I don't want. See, the
You
babe
want
is
the
yours.
which
No.
baby is yours?
Calm down, bro. This babe is yours.
If I not here, which baby is yours?
This baby is yours. The baby is yours. It cannot be mine. All of a sudden, the babe turns to mine. Everybody in this community knows that this girl is your babe. So what are you trying to tell me? Okay, if people see her outside now with this pregnancy, what do you expect them to think?
Don't take anything now. What's my business?
Everybody knows that this girl is your girlfriend.
Which girl is
All
my
of them
girlfriend?
knows that this is your babe. Is she not good enough? She's beautiful.
she's not good
She's
enough.
tall. She have everything you want in a lady. She's your spec. So what are you?
Should have sense. She
Bro,
doesn't have anything
she
I
have
want.
everything you want. She's a wife material. She can cook.
The way I even vouching for this girl now, what do you even see so special now about this thing?
I mean, among all your relationships, this is the best. Bro, this is the best. You need
Minister
to
of
take
relationship.
No, not about minister
You
of
do have a
relationship.
relationship.
It's better I don't have.
Nonsense.
But bro, you have a very good girl. Not that I'm trying to push you into this relationship, but this is the best. Out of the whole relationship this is the best, bro. Don't just discard this baby like this. Okay, in your mind now, maybe you'll be thinking, let me talk to her, let she abort the baby up. Bro, this is your baby. This is your baby. Let's go back so you talk to this girl, bro.
Guy, me, I don't like this thing you're saying. We've invited you yourself. Eh? Why are you saying all this thing?
I was going to your house, so I didn't see you. I was now passing, I saw you here, and I came to
Yeah, all these things you are telling me, it's not like I'm trying to feel soft, but I don't want. I'm not ready. You and I know the story.
Will you now break up with your girlfriend just because of?
But you and I know the
your
story
baby?
now. I can't do it now. Anything pregnancy or anything, I can't do it at the moment of my life now. What do you mean?
Don't think it's a cumbersome thing to do. Don't think it's a hard thing to do. This is something you can do. You are working. You can earn a living for yourself. What is there to take care of the woman and the baby? This is something you can do. See, children are gifts from God. Don't just throw away these gifts that you have. There are people that have been looking for baby. You have your own at the tip of your finger and you want to just discard it like that. Bro, man up. This is your baby. This is your baby. Don't mind. I think, sometimes when the relationship, when a girl gets pregnant, it looks as if the guy said it's filled up. You won't know what to do at the moment. Just calm down. Bro, this is your baby. Do you understand? This is your baby.
No problem, you can go.
You need to calm down.
Guy, just be going first. I've heard you now. Later we'll talk. Go, I beg.
Bro, take the right decision, no.
Guy, go now. Bounce.
Take the right decision, no.
Bro, bounce.
Thank you. Thank you.
No, just help and talk to him.
Yes, thank
Just
you.
relax, yeah. He's not going anywhere.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, no.
Thank
Bro,
God.
you see later
Your
now.
honor go spoil, okay?
Ryan now.
Don't do this thing to me, please. I'm begging you.
Oh, how could you?
This baby is your baby.
I'm not ready yet. How could you, eh?
Baby, I will help you.
You will help me?
You know I'm a very hard-working girl. You know I'll work hard. I'll support you. We'll take care of this baby together. Babe, please don't leave me. Don't deny me, please.
At this moment of my life, I'm not ready.
Babe, even me. I'm not ready.
If I'm-
It has happened.
It's not
It
that-
has happened.
It's not I don't love you, boy. Yes, I know. He's my baby, but I'm not ready yet. Eh?
Babe,
All these things are happening too fast. I'm not.
please calm down. Please calm down. See, look at me, babe. We'll sort this out. Together we'll make it. Please. With your work and my work, we'll be doing dance together to train this baby. Please, don't deny, don't leave me. Because I don't know where to start from. Babe, please.
It's fine.
Eh?
It's fine. Come.
You're accepting the baby. Thank you so much.
Just
Thank
calm
you,
down,
babe.
please. Don't pressure me. I have a lot on my head now.
Sorry,
Eh?
sorry.
At the moment,
Sorry, yeah? I'm fine, everything will be fine.
Hey, Lord. You should have said this in the
No,
first place.
please, I'm not.
At least you have accepted it.
Eh,
Hey.
Baby, you know I love you. I cannot deny you for anything.
and I
okay?
love you too.
Yeah, I cannot deny you. Even pregnancy cannot make me to deny
I'm
you.
so happy.
It's just that,
Eh,
yeah,
the
calm
baby
down.
is our baby. Eh?
I know it's a baby.
Hey,
Just
you.
relax yourself. Don't need to panic about anything.
You are going out.
Yeah, I was going out to, I don't know, maybe you guys should just go then. Let me just rest. I think I need rest now.
You need to rest.
Yeah, I need to. The news was so sudden, so I need to calm down.
Even me, it was shocking to me when they not said it. Eh, but I had no option.
See, let me tell you,
Eh,
you have to start eating very well now.
oh,
Most especially concentrate on fruits, you understand? Just be taking it so seriously now, okay? I don't want anything to happen to my baby. Oh.
Nothing happened to her.
I don't want anything to happen to my baby.
Babe, I wanted you to escort me to go and see my mom. No, you promised her we'll be coming this
No
weekend.
problem. We'll go later. Not now.
My baby, my love.
I think you should go inside and celebrate. Let's go.
Abi, let's go.
The both of you. No, just go. I need to rest. Let me just.
Like that, my baby. No, you have this. Don't worry.
Let me just
We'll
rest.
come back to give you.
No
My baby. I
know.
love you, yeah?
No
Take care of yourself. I'm coming back. Let me go and bring few of my clothes.
No
So I'll
problem.
spend the
No
weekend
problem.
with you. Hey, Dad, I'm so happy.
Bye-bye.
Okay.
That's what, at least now.
Pregnancy, all of a sudden. She didn't even give me any signs or any news or anything. Eh? I need to double my hustle now. Anything I'm doing, I need to be doing it times 2 now. It's not like I'm ready for this, but I just have to like face it, no matter what. I know the girl, she doesn't cheat. She's my babe, I know. I know.